Our lesson today, inshallah, is application on main number. First, I want to solve application on square and cube root and calculate area of some figure and calculate volume, lateral and total area of some solids. First, I want to know this question. I want to solve it. Here I have cubic root 108 plus 6 cubic root 32 minus 4 cubic root half. It will be cubic root 27 times 4 plus 6 cubic root 8 times 4 minus 4 times cubic root half. I multiply is 4 up and down. So the answer will be 3 cubic root 4 plus 12 cubic root 3. Cubic root 4 minus 4 times half times cubic root 4. I'll cancel 2 with 4. It will be 2 multiplied by cubic root 4. The answer will be 3 cubic root 4 plus 12 cubic root 4 minus 2 cubic root 4. So it will be 13 cubic root 4. First solid is the circle. In the circle, I want to know the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle equal to pi r. 2 pi r by equal 22/7 or 3.14. And r is radius. Radius is half diameter. 2 pi r or pi times d. D means that diameter and diameter twice radius. So I have here MA is radius. The area of circle. Area of circle equal pi r square. Pi r per 2. Here. Half circumference of the circle. Half circumference of the circle, it will be 2 pi r divided by 2. I cancel 2 with 2, so it will be pi r. The perimeter of half the circle. It will be half circle. I want to know the perimeter of half circle. Half circle, I want to know the perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of outer sides. I want to make heading. This arc, half circle, with the diameter. So it will be pi r, half circle by r, plus 2r. 2r means that the diameter. So the answer it will be pi r plus 2r or pi r plus d. Again, the circumference of a circle equal 2 pi r or pi times d because the diameter is twice radius. The area of circle. Area of circle it will be pi r square. And the half circumference of circle equal pi r because half circumference equal 2 pi r divided by 2. 2 cancelled with 2, so the answer will be pi r. Next, the perimeter of half circle. Half circle means that I want the sum of the arc, half circle, plus the diameter, AB. So I want to know, I said before, circumference of half circle equal pi r plus the diameter or 2r. The area of half circle. The area of half circle, it will be pi r square over 2 or half times pi r square. Example. I have a circle. Its radius 21 centimeter. I have radius. Find its circumference and its area. And pi here equals 22/7. Circle here, its radius 21. I want to know circumference. First, I put the rule. Circumference of a circle equal pi times 2 times r or pi times d. I have here radius, so I'll make pi multiply by 2 multiplied by r. So the answer it will be 2 times 22/7 times r equal that 21. So it will be equal. I cancel 7 with the 21. It will be 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 21 divided by 7 equal 3. So it will be 3 multiplied by 22 times 2. It will be 132 centimeters. I want here the area of the circle. I must write the rule first for pi r squared. Pi equal 22/7 times r squared will be 21 power 2. So the answer will be 1,386 centimeters square. Here in the circumference, the unit will be centimeter because circumference means that because circumference like perimeter. I want here 2 times pi times r here centimeter, 1 centimeter. So it will be centimeter here, r squared. It means that r times r. R times r means that centimeter times centimeter, it will be centimeter square. So the area, it's unit centimeter square. So here I have here 2 times pi times r, 2 times pi by 22/7 times 21 divided by 7 equal 1, divided by 7 equals 3. I multiply 3 by 22 by 2, it will be 132 centimeters. The area of the circle equal pi r squared. So it will be 22 times 21 all power 2 equal 1,386 centimeters square. Here I have half circle. In the opposite figure, I have here half circle. The perimeter of the figure, he said that the perimeter of this figure is 25.7. This figure means that the diameter and half circle with the diameter. The perimeter of this figure, it will be 25.7. Find its area. I want area of half circle. Area of half circle, it will be half times pi times r square. I want to know the r, the radius. The perimeter of semicircle, it will be by r plus 2r. By r plus 2r. 2r means the diameter. He said that the perimeter equal 25.7 equal by r. By here 3.14 times r. I don't know r. So I'll keep right r plus 2r. Here I have like term. So I want to write 3.14 plus 2. It will be 5.14 r. I have here like term. Like term means that I want to make adding 3.14 plus 2. It will be half 5.14 and put r. So 5.14 r equal 25.7. I want here r. R equal 20. So r equal 5. Here I get r. So I can solve the area of the circle. So it will be by r square by 3.14 times r squared times the half because this shape is half circle. So I make half times 3.14 times 5 all power 2 and the answer it will be 39.25. Again, this question I have here half circle with diameter and the perimeter of this figure 25.7. 25.7 mean the semicircle and its diameter. So I write the rule. The perimeter of half circle equal pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r equal 25.7. 25.7 equal 2r plus pi r. Pi it will be 3.14 r. I make r. I don't know r. I put right r plus 2r. I have here like term. So I make adding 3.14 plus 2, it will be 5.14. 5.14 r equal 25.7. So I make r here, I make divide 25.7 divided by 5.14. The answer, it will be 5. I get radius 5 here, so I want to know the area. The area equal half times pi times r power 2 equal half times 3.14 times 5 all power 2 equal 39.25 centimeter square. Next solid is cube. The cube has x congruent face because each face is a square. Each face is a square. It has 12 edges. It has 8 vertices. Area of one face equal L power 2. It means that L times L. And lateral surface area equal 4L power 2. 4L power 2. And the total surface area equal 6L power 2. Here, the cube has 6 congruent faces because all faces are equal and each face is a square. It has 12 edges. It has 8 vertices. Area of one face equal L over 2. Over 2. Lateral surface area equal 4L over 2. Total surface area equal 6L over 2. Volume of cube, it will be length times length times length, means that L power 3. An example here. If the sum of edges equal 60, I have the sum of edges. I have how many edges? I have 12 edges. The sum of all edges equal 60. So I want one edge, one length. I want to know the length. I make first 60 divided by 12. So the length, it will be 5 centimeter. So I can here make lateral surface area. Lateral surface area equals 4L per 2. I make 4 times L per 2 equals 4 times 5 over 2. Here, I want to make L length. 12 inches, 12 lengths equals 60. So I want length equal 60 divided by 12 equal 5 centimeters. So I want lateral surface area. Lateral surface area here equal 4L per 2. So the solution equal 4 times L per 2, 4 times 5 per 2 equal 100 centimeters square. Next, total surface area. Total surface area means that 6L per 2. I have L 5 centimeters. So the answer, it will be 6 times 5 per 2. So the answer, it will be 150 centimeters square. Here I have the volume of cube. Volume of cube equals 512. Find the total surface area. First, I want to know the length of each face, the length. The length here, I want to know that the volume equal length per 3. Length per 3 means that the length times length times length. Okay, length per 3 equals 512. So I want to know the length. The length here, I make cubic root to 512. So the length, it will be 8 centimeter. So here I want to know total surface area. Total surface area equal 6L over 2. So 6 times 8 over 2 equals 384. Here, again, the question. The volume of cube equal 512. Find the total surface area. Total surface area equals 6 over 2. So I don't know the length. I make the length of each equal. Here I have length per 3 equal 512. I want length. I'll take cubic root to 512. It will be 8. So the length equal 8. I want to know total surface area equal 6L per 2. I make 6 times 8 power 2 equals 384. Another question, if the lateral surface area equal 36, find its volume. Here I want to know the length of each edge. The length of each is equal. I have here length lateral surface area 4L per 2. 4L per 2 equal 36. I want here L. So I know L per 2, it will be 36 divided by 4. L per 2 equals 36 divided by 4 equals 9. So L per 2 equals 9, so L, it will be 3. I'll take square root to 9, it will be 3. Here I want to know the volume. The volume equal length times length times length, or L power 3. So I want to, I'll make 3 power 3 equal 27 centimeter cubic. Okay, we can solve the questions again from this question. Here I have the sum of all edges. All edges I have 12 edges in the cube. So the 12 edges equal 60. I want to know the edge. The edge, one edge equal, I make 60 divided by 12. 60 divided by 12 equal 5. So the length equal 5. If I have the length, I can make lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume also. Here I want to know lateral surface area first, equal 4L power 2. I make 4 times 5 power 2 equal 100 centimeter square. Here, length, it will be L, 12L equal 60. I want here L, it will be 60 divided by 12 equal 5 centimeter. I make lateral surface area equal 4L power 2. 24 times 5 power 2 equal 100. So I want to know total surface area. Total surface area equal 6L power 2. So I make 6 times 5 over 2 equal 150 centimeter. If I want to know the volume here equal length power 3. Length power 3, I make 5 power 3 equal 125 centimeter cubic. So if I have the length, the edge length, I can solve any question. I can solve lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume. Here's the volume of cube equal 512. 512 is the volume. The volume. Length was 512. So I'll take cubic root of the length to take the length or to get the length, edge length. So the edge length it will be 512 and the cubic root it will be 8 centimeters. So the length equal 8 centimeters. I can, if I have the length, the edge length, I can make any question. Here I want to know total surface area. It will be 6L power 2. It will be 6 times 8 power 2. If I want total if the lateral surface area, I make 4 times L power 2. It will be 4 times L power 2, 8 power 2. Here again, I want to make L. I want to get L. L power 3 here, 512. I'll take cubic root. So L equal cubic root 512. It will be 8 centimeters. Here I want to know total surface area. It will be 6L power 2. I make 6 times 8 power 2 equals 384. If I want to know lateral surface area, I make 4 times L power 2. I make 4 times 8 power 2. Lateral surface area of a cube equals 36. Find its volume. Here I want to know the edge length. How can I get edge length? Lateral equal 4L power 2. 4L power 2 equal 36. I make divided by 4. To cancel 4, I make divided by 4. So L power 2 equal 36 divided by 4 equal 9. L power 2 equal 9, I'll take the square root. If I take the square root to L power 2, it will be negative and positive 3. But negative 3 is refused because I can't make the side negative. How can I get the side negative? It's refused. So the length it will be here 3 centimeters. If I have the H length, I can solve any question. I want to know volume here, and I get total surface area also. Its volume equal length for 3. It will be 3 by 3. It will be 27. And if I know total surface area, sorry, it will be 6 times L per 2. It will be 6 times I get length equals 3, so I make 4 times 3 over 2. It will be 4 times 9 equal 36. And total surface area will be 6 L over 2. It will be 6 times 3 over 2. 6 times 9 equal 54. Here I get L over 2 equal 9. I make 36 divided by 4. It will be 9. Length for 2 equal 9, so I make square root. So the length it will be 3 centimeters. I want to know the volume equal length per 3. It will be 3 over 3. It will be 27. If I want total surface area, it will be 6 L per 2. 6 times 3 power 2. It will be 6 times 9 equal 54. This is the application. on real number. And thank you. Goodbye.